update on the Boler. I think I lost a couple of videos of us picking it up, so I'm trying to get some fill in, but we've been working on it. We got the rack already off the top of the trailer. We've been power washing like you saw, getting it cleaned up. Let's see what else we have done. We've gone through the wiring, the trailer wiring. Sorry, there's an extension cord. And we've cleaned up a lot of the wiring and got the lights to work. There's a lot of extra lights, wires in here that we really didn't need. Still a lot of work to be done. We're gonna build a new battery box for it, things like that. But we got the tail lights working. Everything's good on that. Let me show you guys inside. This is the inside. This is kind of what it looks like now. We've got the mold pretty much all off. This is called, I think it's elephant material. We got that all pretty much taken off. It's still a little dirty. We're still gonna need some more cleanup on it, but we got most of the mold, the smell out of it. We took the cabinets off. These are kind of old. We didn't really need them. We're gonna rebuild those. We took the propane fridge. That was shot. Took that fridge out. Took the heater out. That was shot. We're gonna try to clean this up. This is a Coleman stove. We're gonna try to clean that up. So still kept that. We took the cushions out. You can see the cushions are all gone. Took the cushions out, and the table had a little crack on it. Fixing that. Took the cushions out. We took the cushion out of the covers. Washed the covers. We're sewing up any holes that we had in there. We're just really getting it going, cleaning it up, swept it out, got all the dirt out. The next thing we had did, if we go to the outside, the next thing we did was a lot of the cabinets weren't attached to the fiberglass, so we went and drilled and put all new rivets. These are all new rivets in, all up here, new rivet, new rivet down here, and if we go to the other side, we got some new rivets over there also. Here's the side of it. We got a new rivet here, 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 all of that, and then the top too. So basically, when we're trailering this, we noticed that the cabinets. I'll show you the cabinet right here. We noticed the cabinet was just like swaying, like it looked like it was all falling. Everything was falling apart, which it was. This cabinet right here wasn't right here in this little corner, in this little area. It was actually way over here because it was just kind of like swaying and falling, and then this support was way over here, and it was all just tipping over, and you could see it from the window, and just like everything was over here. We're like, oh my goodness, this thing's falling apart. So with the rivets, we riveted every spot back to the shell. And I mean, this ain't going nowhere. It's really sturdy. Same with this one, this cabinet. This was bad too. So we went and riveted everything back here. This is solid, you know. So we've been getting on it and cleaning it up, you know, getting it going. We still need to work on this door. We just kind of sealed it up now. We think we might found a window for this. We do need some new glass. You know, those are kind of the finishing touches. The door, we do need some hinges. If you notice, you close the door, and then on the bottom, see the light? This is supposed to be all the way snugged up, and it's actually, you can see it's hanging. So it needs to go up, probably like around. If you see, I can lift it. It needs to go up there. So these hinges need to be worked on just to get it, you know, tip top on that. But she's coming along. It's a nice little project. It's gonna be fun to go and take it out to the campsites and whatnot, and I'm excited. My brother, he's excited. He's the one that's gonna be mostly working on this. It's gonna be kind of an on-off project. I'll keep y'all updated on it if you want to get updated. He's gonna be taking it to his home, and where he can work on it in the night. Just, you know, just like me, I can only work on stuff at night, you know, because we got kids and whatnot. So he's gonna be working on it, getting it all cleaned up. He's probably gonna paint it, things like that. Keep it original color, probably that kind of burnt orange color, and then keep the white on top. We're gonna remake this, as it says honey. We're gonna remake that decal when we're all finished up and done. This gonna fix this. These are all just holes that they've drilled right into the body when they put the curtain. There's a curtain in there, a curtain rod, and they kind of just, you know, drilled into it and it's kind of just messed it all up. But hopefully we get it done time enough for summer and get it on the road. When we towed it, it was perfect. I mean, there was nothing wrong with it. It rode pretty nice on the new wheels. We didn't have no trouble with anything. It's pretty good. This is the roof rack. There is some spots. Let's see if I can show you. Where is it at? Let's see. Oh, it's I think it's this one. Yeah, this right here. This is supposed to have a post here, like that, like this right here, where you mount, and it broke off. So we'll repair that. We'll probably sandblast this, get all the rust off, and get that looking good, because we do like the rack and the look of it on the trailer on top, which is a pretty nice look. But that's all I got for y'all guys on the trailer, on the Boler. You want some more of this content of the camper, I'll try to get y'all some. It's probably gonna be more pictures and slideshows and just updates like that, because my brother doesn't really record. He might do some 360 video for us. So if he just takes fit photos, I'll just put it in and keep you updated on slideshow. Maybe I'll drive over there and just let y'all know what's the deal, where we're at on it, you know, on the big updates like paint or getting the interior kind of done and getting it looking, you know, a little bit more better. But that's gonna be it, guys. This is our another project that we got on this channel. It's gonna be the 70s Boler, the Honey. If you want to see some more, let me know. Until next time, okay? Later.